Say you have a list in Google Docs that you want to alphabetize. How exactly can you do it? Well, with the help of this quick hack with Google Sheets, you are able to do just that. So let's get into the process. So what you want to do first is copy everything in your Google Docs document that you want to sort alphabetically and then paste it over into Google Sheets. Then what you want to do is select column A, so everything in the column is highlighted. Then what you're going to do is click on data from the row of options at the very top, and then you want to hover over sort sheet in this list of options that pops up. Once you do, you'll see two options appear. You can either sort from A to Z or from Z to A. So make your choice, then click on whichever one you want, and just like that, everything in column A will be sorted alphabetically. Then when you want to paste it back, make sure that's all selected, and then head back to Google Docs. You can delete all the previous information, and then if you were to normally use Ctrl V, you'll see that it's going to paste it back with the cells from Google Sheets. So what you want to do instead is use Ctrl Shift V, which pastes without formatting in order to get the desired result. However, as you can see, what this process did is clumped everything together into one, while before everything was spaced out and there was an empty line between every item. So how exactly can we return that without doing it manually with every single item in the list? Well, there's actually a way of doing that. Before pasting in Google Docs, what you want to do is head into column B and then type in 1 in the first row and then 2 in the second row. Then select both those cells and use the little blue dot that appears in the bottom right and drag all the way down until you reach the same row as the final item in your list. You then get a list of numbers equal to the amount of items in your list. What you want to then do is select all of the numbers and then copy them and then paste them directly below where the numbers stop. So you essentially have two sets of identical numbers. Next up, you want to click at the top of column B to select everything in it, and then you want to use the same method to sort the numbers from A to Z. And as you can see, when you sort the numbers, it's going to then leave a space between every single item on the left hand side as well. So you can just then copy this brand new set of items over to Google Docs, and it's going to be pasted with the spaces as well. So that's exactly how you can alphabetize a list in Google Docs with the help of Google Sheets. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority from like this in the future.